Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is my car dashboard. This is a Camry 2001 model. Now, I have a problem, something I observed. If I press down on the brake, I just want you to watch the RMP. It goes up and comes down. That is, you can see it again. I've released it, went up and came down again, which I think is not supposed to be. The engine will rave when I press down on the brake, and I release it again, it will rave. I don't know if anybody can help me out with a solution here. Thank you. I mighty appreciate it. As we discovered on the car, the mechanic got this belt. We discovered that the belt, the belt was also bad, was the wrong belt. Then got to change the pulley. What's this one called?
Roller.
This one, roller.
Yeah,
okay, so we also changed the roller, and we changed the pulley. All right, so let's see how it goes. If we'll get a better what do you call that thing?
Timing belt.
Okay, this is the timing belt.
Yes.
That is if the RMP will be stable. So after the installation, we'll make another video to see what happens next. So let's go. So yeah, the guys who are working on it, I think they're going to do a very good job. So welcome, guys. Remember the complaint I made about my Camry 2001 about the RMP problem, that whenever the brakes are pressed, the RMP goes up, and when you release the brake, it goes up again. Well, I also made a video and where we had to change the timing belt, and we changed the rollers, and we also changed one of the pulleys that had cracks all around the surface. And the mechanics I showed you in the previous video, we were going to do those changes to those parts, and I knew I said hopefully they do a good job, and I know they will do a good job. And so they changed all those parts, and then we want to see right now in this video what the result is like. I want to also say that I've been having a lot of issue with the timing belt. I've changed almost like 5-6 timing belts, and so this last time decided to use a Bosch timing belt. And after all those parts were changed, discovered the vehicle moved smoothly. This is like 10 a.m. in the morning in Nigeria. Most of the time when I start the vehicle, the RMP is so low. Used to be so low, but after changing up those parts, we want to see now what the RMP looks like, because like I said, in the morning to be so low. The only time you get it somewhere around here, okay, it's probably in the afternoon when it's hot. But in the morning you get it somewhere here, then it's somewhere here, 1 2 there, then it begins to heat up, and then it gets up to this point here. So but now I want to see though. Yeah, let's see what. So I'm going to crank it and start the vehicle. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, so you can see where the RMP is. I'm going to press down on the RMP. Sorry about that noise. going to press that on the I'm going to press that on the brakes, and let's see what will happen to that ramp if it will rave. So the brakes, you can see the brake is down, and the ramp is just where it is. I'm releasing the brake, the ramp is still there. So it means my problem was the timing belt, the roller I showed you, and then that pulley. Now there's something I also did, lest I forget. I also noticed that the fuse, all the fuse in the fuse box inside the one in the bonnet, in the engine compartment there, the electrician who changed it didn't use the right fuses, and I had one of the fuse blown some days ago, and I decided to change all the fuse to the right amp. I'm going to show it to you also in this video so that you'll see. I decided to change everything, and I think that is also having an effect on the performance of this engine, of this vehicle. You can see the RMP has gone up quickly, and that is where it will be. Is in fact, after driving, so the changes, driving this vehicle is like I'm driving a new vehicle. Okay, so let's see the fuse box. I decided to change all the fuse. In fact, initially when I checked, I discovered that the fuses, all the fuse that the guy, the electrician, let's see them, the electrician, changed, were all, look at it, you can see, sorry, this is 15, this is 15, if I'm not wrong, this is 10, you can see this one, just put some wires there, it's 10, almost all were 10, 10, 10. So I think that was also having an effect on the vehicle, on the engine performance. So I decided to change to use the right fuse sizes, and that gives the engine, you can see where it is now, you can see still there. So let's look at the fuse box. I'm going to turn off the engine because I think I have fuel is not much. Okay, so let's look at the engine so that it will also reduce the noise. So let's look at take a look at the fuse box, that you use the right fuses. Okay, yeah, so here's the fuse box. Look deep down, look down, you see the ratings, you see the fuse diagram there, you see that. Okay, here where we have 20, okay, here where we have 15, discover that it was a 10 that was there. Okay, and here that was a 30, here that was a 30, discover there was a 20. So we look there, down here, okay, let's come down here, this is now a 30, this one too, let's move it up to 15, because it was a 10 that was also there initially. Here was there was a 10, so I have to put 7.5, 7.5, and then here was a 15, so make it a 20. So I think it affected it, and I think the engine is running perfectly better now. So let's see if I notice any other thing